वेरी गुड इवनिंग फ्रेंड्स, मैं मानवेंद्र यादव सर आप सभी का स्वागत करता हूं अपने यूट्यूब चैनल इंग्लिश विथ मानवेंद्र सर पर। आज मैं आप लोगों को सिखा रहा हूं कि किस तरीके से किसी भी स्टोरी को इंग्लिश में आप शेयर कर सकते हैं। सो वंस अगेन वेरी गुड इवनिंग फ्रेंड्स, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू a story. Now I am going to share a story. The title of the story, The Cows and the Lion. There once upon a time there were 4 cows who lived in the forest. They used to graze together in a particular spot. He decided to kill all the cows. One day he went there and tried to kill the cow, but all the cows came together and fought with him. Then the lion had to run away from there. But lion tried to kill all the cows. He decided again and he made a plan how he can kill the cows. So one day he played a nice trick. Then the cows fought with each other. They fought among themselves. Then after this incident, all the cows started grazing separately in the jungle. Then lion got a chance to kill the cows. He killed all the cows one by one. So this is a very nice story, and the moral of the story is unity is strength. So now my dear students, you come one by one on the stage and share the story in your own words. हम स्टोरी शेयर कब कर सकते हैं? आफ्टर लर्निंग बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट यू कैन शेयर अ स्टोरी एंड यू कैन इम्प्रूव योर इंग्लिश। क्योंकि जब आपका बेसिक कंप्लीट हो जाता है तो आप इस तरीके से चीज़ों को प्लान करके बोल सकते हो, और इसमें आपको सडनली सारी चीज़ें करनी है। आपने मेरे को स्टोरी बोलते हुए सुना, अब आपका दिमाग किस तरीके से चीज़ों को क्रिएट कर रहा है उस चीज़ को हम लोग समझेंगे। सो वन बाय वन प्लीज़ कम ऑन द स्टेज। हु वुड लाइक टू कम ऑन द स्टेज टू शेयर अ स्टोरी? सो अर्नव प्लीज़ कम।
So first of all, thank you for giving this nice opportunity to tell a story that sir has told. So the title of the story is The Cows and the Lion. So there are a group of there is a group of cows and one lion. So the cows graze grass in a particular area, and the lion saw a group of cows grazing. So the lion decided to kill all the cows. So one day he goes to kill he went there to kill all the cows, but he failed because of the unity of the cows. So the lion knows that he can't kill the group of cows, but he know he can kill a cow one by one. So he make a plan to make a fight between them, so to broke their unity. So the plan to broke their unity, the plan worked, and the cows fought between them and decided to graze alone. So the lion saw the cows alone. So the lion went there to kill the lion, and he got success. So the moral of the story is unity is strength. Thank you.
बहुत ही शानदार ढंग से आपने स्टोरी को शेयर करने का प्रयास किया। थोड़ी सी मिस्टेक्स भी हुई हैं, बट इट डजंट मैटर। आप चीज़ों को करते रहेंगे तो चीज़ें बहुत इम्प्रूव होंगी, एंड मिस्टेक कैन बी डन बाय एनीवन। अब जब कोई आप चीज़ों को रट के बोलते हो, प्रैक्टिस पहले से करके आ जाते हो, तो वो मैटर एक अलग है। लेकिन आपको स्टोरी शेयरिंग ज़रूर करनी चाहिए। स्टोरी टेलिंग से बहुत बेनिफिट हो सकते हैं। आपका जो पर्पज़ है फ्लुएंट इंग्लिश बोलने का, उसमें स्टोरी टेलिंग एक ग्रेट रोल प्ले कर सकता है। सो नेक्स्ट हु वुड लाइक टू कम ऑन द स्टेज? यस, कम ऑन। यस, यू। अब वन बाय वन ऑटोमेटिक आते जाना, ठीक है?
So good evening friends. First of all, thank you for sir to giving me this nice opportunity. Today I am going to share a story. My name is Aryan Singh. Today I am going to share a nice story. The name of the story is The Cows and the Lion. So once upon a time there was a four cow who grazed together in a particular area. The lion was watching the cows for a long time because he wants to kill the cow and eat them. one day he decided to kill all the cow. When he went to all the cow fought with the lion, and the lion get failed to kill the cow. And after this, the lion made a plan, and he decided to get some time, and he also decided to broke the unity of the cow, and the plan get succeed. And he also broke the unity of the cows, break the unity of the cows. And the cow started grazing separately in others area. So after this, the lion went to cow one by one and kill the all cows one by one. So the moral of the story is unity is strength. Thank you.
So good evening everyone, my name is Manya Patel. Today I am going to share a story whose name is The Lion and the Cows. There were 4 lions living in the forest, and they were all grazing in the particular area. And the lion saw the cows, and he wanted to kill the cows, and he went to kill the cows. The cows fought them, and lion had go from there. And after some days, cows fought between themselves, and he decided grazing in between alone. And lion had a chance to kill off all cows. And so one day lion killed one by one all cows. So the moral of the story is unity is the strong.